Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I would like to show you how to set up a Google Assistant. But before that, make sure you are following my YouTube channel for more videos and more tutorials. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button below to get notified with every single video tutorial. And also, if you would like me to do a lot more of tutorials, you should put it down on the comment below. Thank you. See you next time.